Today, let's learn how to actually use Apple Music for free without the use of a credit card. Well, most of the people actually don't. They actually know Apple Music as an application where and you have to pay for it to play. But for those of you who don't know, you could actually use Apple Music for free to listen on to stuff over here on the radio. Well, Apple Music has a free radio for us to actually use. Of course, it has a specific time limit, so just tune in into these specific time limits, or rather a specific time frames, in order for you to actually listen to some good quality music that's being streamed over here on the Apple Music radio. Now, of course, the only downside of this is you can't really skip the music, and you can really choose what to listen to since, of course, it's, actually the radio who is controlling what they play and what you listen to. But the good side is you don't have to pay for anything. It's 100% free, and you get to enjoy some good quality music that is over here on the Apple radio. So in order to actually place the music over here, just click on any ongoing radio tune over here, whichever one you like, of course. And I think I'd like to play this one. All right, and now it's playing. Now, I'm not pretty sure if you can hear this. But I think you guys can't hear this. But in all seriousness though, and of course, just believe me guys, because I'm pretty sure that this will 100% work on every iPhone device for free without, of course, using your credit card. And you can enjoy some good quality music. Adjust the volume here, can actually pause. You could also play. And of course, the only downside is you can skip tracks, but you can choose a specific radio show that actually plays different types of genres. For example, this one plays country music, this one plays all the hits, and this one is for those chill rap music wherein you could actually tune in if you are currently driving, studying, cooking, or whatever. So basically, it's just this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one.